President Tita Telma Calabio. Tita Telma, if I can have somebody assist Tita Telma. Okay, she's here on the top.
A pleasant good evening to everyone. It's my great pleasure and honor to introduce to you tonight our our guest speaker tonight, Consul General Adelio Angelito Cruz. Consul General Cruz is no stranger to the Filipino-American community of Southern California, having led PCG-LA from July 2016 to January 2021. Consul General Cruz is looking forward to renewing his strong ties with the community and further expanding and strengthening the Consulate General's linkages with various social civic organizations and government partners in areas under PCG-LA's jurisdiction: Southern California, the state of Arizona, the counties of Clark, Lincoln, and Nye in Southern Nevada. At present, Consul General Cruz concurrently holds the position of Assistant Secretary at the Department of Foreign Affairs, Office of the Consular Affairs. He was also designated as the Chief of Presidential Protocol and Presidential Advisor for Foreign Affairs at the Office of the President from July 2022 to October 2023. He was also Assistant Secretary of the DFA Office of Civilian Security from February 2021 to June 2022 with over 30 years of experience in the Philippine Foreign Service. Consul General Cruz served in the various diplomatic and consular positions in the Philippine Foreign Service, namely as Charge d'Affaires in Tripoli, Libya, as Consul General in Xiamen, China, as First Secretary and Consul at the Philippine Embassy in Abu Dhabi, and as Vice Consul of the Philippine Consulate General in Chicago. Without further ado, may I let us welcome our Consul General Adelio Angelito Cruz with a big round of applause.